Okay, boys and girls, this morning, you know what? We're going to do a fun science activity. Can you guys name for me the objects that we have that we're going to do our activity with? What do we have that we're doing an activity with?
Rocks.
What else do we have? What else do we have? And straws. Okay. And the object of this activity is to see what will stay afloat when we put it in the water and what will sink. Okay? Okay, so let's try. I'm going to have Cameron. Can you try the straws for me? Can you try the straws? You drop them in. What do you think they do? You think they're going to sink or you think they're going to float?
Float.
You think they're going to float? Okay, you tried yours. What? Emerson, can you try your straw? Do you think your straw sink or float? You tried your rock, huh?
Yeah, it floats.
It floats?
No.
It's down to the bottom of the water, so what is it doing?
It's bottom of the water.
That's one of our spelling words, and it's called sinking. And to sink means that it's heavy and it goes beneath the water. It goes under the water.
You can try your rock.
You would like for me to try my rock? Okay, my rock is larger than your rock, so what do you think my rock is going to do, Sky?
Sink.
What do you think, Sky?
Sink.
You think it's going to sink? Okay, I'm going to try my rock. Oh, you guys are right. My rock sink. Jonathan, let's try your rock and see what it'll do. Okay.
You can try your shape.
That's a shape, and it's also called a what? That's a what?
A square.
It's a button. It's a square and it's a button.
Oh, that's something.
Okay, which one? Okay, Jonathan, let Jonathan answer this. Jonathan, which ones sink?
All of these.
Okay, what are they? You need to name them for me.
Shells.
Okay.
Shell.
Uh-huh.
Shell. Rocks.
Rocks. Okay, and which one's floating?
The straws.
The straws. Okay, Sky. Can you try your button for me? Okay, you tried your rock. And what did your rock do?
Sink.
It sinks.
Try
Why do you
yours
think it
button.
sinks?
Jonathan,
Jonathan, let me ask. Yeah, hold on 1 second, Cameron. Why do you think it sinks, Sky?
Water.
Because of the water? Actually, the rock sinks because it's heavy. It's heavier than a straw. Drop your straw in and see what the straw does. See, the straw floats. The straw floats because it's lighter than the rock. So, Emerson, would you like to try yours?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to try?
This one.
And what is that called?
It floats.
It floated and it's called a what? What is this called, Cameron? Tell Emerson what this is called. This one. A straw. Okay. Cameron, you tried your what?
My straw
Your what?
floats.
What is that? A shell, your seashell.
It gets water in it too.
It gets water too, huh? Now, if you drop it in, what does it do?
Drop it in.
Cameron, if you drop it in the water, what does it do?
Sink.
It sinks. Okay, so we've done the sinking and float activity, boys and girls. Now, which ones sink? Can you tell me which ones sink? That's wow. Jonathan?
Because it's lighter.
Because it's lighter. Good job, Jonathan.
Try your star.
Try my star? Okay. Teacher Gloria's going to try her star because that's what Jonathan wants to see. This is a star shape, and it's also what? But what is this?
A star that goes up in the sky.
Okay, but
like
what
a
is
shooting
this?
Star.
What is this?
It's
a button.
a
A button. Okay, here goes the button. Let's see what it does. It's floating. Okay.
On the rock.
Emerson. Okay, you guys can put the rest of your items in and see whether they sink or float. That's our experiment for the day, Jonathan. Jonathan, excuse me. That's our activity for today, guys. Thank you guys for playing with me. Jonathan, Sky, Emerson, and Cameron. Welcome. Thank you. Good job, you guys. Okay, go ahead and have fun. You want them all in yours? Okay. You guys go ahead and have fun with the activity. Jonathan, can you tell me something else? That if we were out in the water, we would see floating on top of the water, Jonathan? If we were out in the water, if you go to the beach or if you go to the lake, what else do you see floating on top of the water?
Alligator.
You see an alligator. What else?
And a turtle.
A turtle. And what else?
A fish.
A fish. And what else, Cameron? What else do we see if we're at the beach or at the lake? What else do we see floating on the water?
Shark.
A shark.
And fishes.
And fishes. Okay,
And dolphins.
what may we see on top of the water floating that people may be in?
A alligator.
No, people won't be in an alligator. What do people ride in and they be on the ocean inside of it? What is it called? And it floats on top of the water?
A diver.
A diver. Well, we be riding in though, Jonathan. Sometimes we ride in them and they're real large. They're real large and they carry a lot of people and they float on the water. What are they called?
Turtles.
That we ride in? Do we ride in turtles? No. What is it called, guys, that we ride in when we're in the ocean? And there's a whole lot of us in there. A submarine, but also what? How about a boat?
A boat.
What happened? Okay. Okay, you guys are blowing bubbles now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what if you hold a straw in under the water? Okay, Jonathan, what do you hear from that?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. Okay.
Bubbling.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for experimenting with me.
We're still having fun.
You're still having fun.